Hello everyone, this is Chatwan Agarwal. I'm from Delhi. How often does it happen with you people that you find yourself sitting in your living room and suddenly notice that lights or fans or any other appliances they are switched on in your another room or bedroom you can say? Well, for me it is practically every day. So today I'll be explaining you a product or demonstrating you a product which will bring ease when it comes to operating your electrical appliances at your home from your mobile phone. The product is L-Care Wi-Fi Modular Smart Switch from a brand Living Care India. This brand has developed and designed the product from India itself. We'll start with the unboxing of the product. The front side of the box is this side, which tells you about the product details like product name, which is L-Care Wi-Fi Modular Smart Switch. Then the product code and potted current is mentioned. Potted current is 10 amperes. I'll let you know what potted current is. The voltage range is given, Wi-Fi frequency, wireless standards. Then on this side you will see a barcode and the warnings, no problem. And here it is written designed, manufactured and marketed by Living Care India. Address is given, it's of India. Country of origin is India. The price is given, manufacturing date, WhatsApp, customer care number, email, warranty policy and the website. Here some QR codes are mentioned. This QR code is specifically for Android devices. This is for Apple devices. By scanning these two QR codes, you can install the application on your iOS device or Android device, whichever you are comfortable with. So we'll start with the unboxing. This is the product. This is how the product is going to be packed in your box. This is the installation guide. This installation guide is more than enough for any technical person to understand how the wiring is going to be. We'll be keeping this aside and letting you know the other things. So this is the actual Wi-Fi modular switch by L-Care. If you can see, it is written 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi switch. Input voltage is 90 to 250 volts. Maximum power each gang is 250 volts slash 10 amperes 200 watts. What this means is you can connect two devices at once to this device, with each device rated at 10 ampere maximum, 10 ampere or 200 watts. These two terminals are the input terminals, line and neutral, and these are the two phase outputs for the devices through which you can connect your lights, fans or any device up to 10 amperes of power consumption. Next I'll be demonstrating you how a basic connection can be done to this device and how you can operate by setting up on your mobile phone. So what I have done is I have connected the phase of one bulb to out 1, the phase of second bulb to out 2. Line and neutral are going to be my supply, and what I have done is the neutrals of these two bulbs I have connected in the common neutral. This is how the app is going to look like. The application name is L Care Smart. In this second section you will see Smart Home. We'll just tap on this. You can see there are no devices connected at present. We'll just switch on the device and then you'll see the magic. So this is how the installation looks like. I have installed this Wi-Fi modular switch on a conventional plate. However, the best way to do is on a modular plate, as it is suited on the same the best. Now I'll tell you how the connections are being made. The black wire is the actual neutral wire. This is connected to the bunch of black wires, which is a common neutral for the switchboard. The second wire, or you can see the green wire, this is the main phase. I have connected this to a switch so that at any moment I can turn off the switch, and hence the Wi-Fi modular switch, which will let me control the device when I am not at home. The third wire is out 1. This out 1 I have connected to a white wire. As you can see, this white wire is my tube light. The output 2 is, you can see, white thin wire. This wire goes into the rheostat. This is basically voltage regulator for fan. So this is connected to my fan wire. Now comes the operation. This switch can be operated by two ways. The first one is by a mobile phone, and the second one is by just touching the panels. This is for fan and this is for light. The changing of color will let you know when the device is on or off. The second way is off from the mobile phone. As you can see, I have defined two names, fan and tube light. Fan can be controlled by just pressing the button over here, and you can see the fan switched on. The second one is for tube light, and the tube light switch is on. Same way you can switch it off. The fan has been switched off, the tube light has been switched off. Both can be switched on and off from bottom of these buttons, and can be switched off from this one. They have two more features. One is from count and the second one is for timer. So from my side, it's a thumbs up for L-Care Wi-Fi modular switch.